So this is Fibrosol. You get 30 sachets in a package. You can see it. You can see it mixes into water. This is just water. But you can sprinkle it on food. You can sprinkle it on any kind of shakes, water, anything you want. It doesn't gel up. You can see that it doesn't gel up. And I'd like to thank Fibrosol for sending this to me to review. I do really appreciate it. But I'm going to just taste it real quick. There's absolutely no taste. I have it in water, and this just tastes like water. And it doesn't gum up, or it's not sticky or anything like that. So that is really awesome. It dissolves and mixes instantly and easily. Doesn't affect the taste or the texture of your food or your drink. It's a daily fiber intake easily. It helps with less bloating. And again, tastes like it's completely unflavored. So they recommend, let me just tell you real quick, they recommend for adults 1 to 4 sachets of Fibrosol daily. For children 6 to 12, a half to a full sachet, and 6 and below, consult your pediatrician. So, but if you need to get more added fiber, this is a really quick, easy way to do it. It's all plant-based from corn. So, so if you have any corn allergies, that might be a con. But other than that, really, really awesome stuff.